Good morning, class. So today we are going to continue from where we stopped yesterday, meaning we will start with the articles a and the, and then we will go to second term book, chapter 1, pages 7 and 8. So please get these two books, grammar textbook and then the second term textbook. Thank you, Jess. So let us start. So yesterday I said I didn't want I didn't want you to do this exercise because I wanted you to know well what is the difference between a and an. So today we are going to see some exercises with with the. Okay. So please pay attention. We saw here what is written here. We use the before the names of things that are one of their kind. Meaning if it is a specific one, if there is only one kind, for example, here in this example, sun. Sun is only one, right? So you can use sun. We write the article the sun. It is a specific name, just one. Also we saw we can use with the with countable nouns and uncountable nouns, meaning if there are more than one, you put the. Here in these exercises we will put the if there are more than one, because a and an we always use for only for single nouns, singular nouns, one noun. Okay, so nouns or adjectives. So if there is more than one, you use the. Likewise, if it is a specific noun, if it is a specific name, also you use the particular name. So then also you use the. So here I already said the sun. Here instead what it will be? You see here it starts with O. Orange starts with O, meaning it is a vowel. With a vowel, we always put an, or also when an H is silent, we always put an orange. Instead, here we put the sun because it is a specific name. Then let's see also the third one, clock. We see that there is only one clock, but clocks can be any, right? Any clock I can say clock. So here what do I put? And it starts with letter C. So it is not a vowel. Instead it is a consonant. So what do I put here? I put a clock. An orange, a clock. Okay. So don't forget an orange, the sun, a clock. So let us go to the next page and see another exercise. Please, you have to complete this exercise. Okay, so you have to complete it till here. Then please, this also you have to complete. Let us do the first two together. Okay, choose the correct option. So you have to choose whether here we put a, an, or the. One of these we have to write here. So what will we put? Is it here the word starts with W. So W is a consonant. And is it a specific window? No, it is not a particular window, but it can be any window, right? So what do you put here? If it is not a vowel, then it is not an. It is not specific, then it is not either the. So what do I put here? A window. Let me write A. I don't know whether you are able to see. Let me write in a bit bigger size. Okay. Okay, now A. Here you write A. And then what do I write here for the second one? Yamuna. What is Yamuna? It can be name of a person, or in this specific case, it can also be the name of a river. Here it refers to a river. So, but when I say a river, I am referring to all the rivers. But here we are speaking about one single river, Yamuna. So what do I put here? If it is one single river, it is a specific name. So what do I put here? The. I have to put the here. Okay, we put the. Remember, always you have to write, you have to start a sentence with capital letter, right? Please remember that you have to start the sentence in capital letter. Let me put this a little ahead. Okay. Then, now please complete all this. Then the rest, fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Put a cross where a, an, or the is not required. Meaning, there are some sentences where you don't have to put anything. There are some places where there is no need for an article. So where you don't need an article, you put an x, across. Okay, so let us see. Let us see only the first, I think only the first three. Then the rest you have to do by yourself. Okay, only the first three we are going to see now. There is dash in my soup. Sorry, there is dash fly in my soup. So fly is the noun here. Fly, how do it start? It starts with F. So it is a consonant. With consonant, it can go A or the, right? And am I speaking about a specific fly or any fly? I'm speaking about generally, any fly, right? So what do I write here? There is a fly, a fly. And in the midst of a sentence, do I put capital letter? No, I put small letter. There is a fly in my soup. Then the next sentence. My father works in dash office. So here the sentence starts with O. I mean the word starts with O. So it is a vowel. O is a vowel. So it can be either an or the. But here we are also saying about a general office. Not a specific one, but generic term. Okay, so what do I write here? My father works in an office, right? My father works in an office. Right, let me write in an office. Okay, then let's do the third one. I have 4 toys. So 4. We are speaking about 4. So we cannot put a or an. Do we need to put the here? Do we need to put the here? I have the 4 toys. It doesn't sound right. Because here in there are places where you don't need to put any article. In this sentence, I have 4 toys is correct without any article. So what do I have to put here? You put a cross, right? We said you put a cross where there is no need for an article. Okay. This is how you have to complete this exercise. And I'll give you a hint. There are 2 other sentences where you don't need to put any article. There are 2 more sentences where you don't need to put article. Okay. So, okay, we finished here. Now we are going to the first term textbook. Please take first term textbook. Sorry, not first term, second term, first book. Okay, page number 7. Page number 7. Now we are going to listen to a few phrases and you have to write the answer. Okay, I'm going to make you to listen to the audio and you have to write the answers.
Rima is wearing a pink frock. My shoes are very dirty. Rajesh has a new toy. These books are very heavy. Samira has short hair.
So let's listen once again. Rima is wearing a pink frock. What frock Rima is wearing? Pink frock. My shoes are very dirty. I don't remember now the third
Is
one.
wearing a pink frock. My shoes are very dirty. Rajesh has a new toy.
The third one, Rajesh has a new toy. Rajesh has a new toy.
These books are very heavy.
These books are very heavy. Heavy.
Samira has short hair.
Samira has short hair. So please do that. Samira has short hair. Rima is wearing a pink frock. My shoes are very dirty. Rajesh has a new toy. These books are very heavy. Samira has short or long hair? Who remembers?
Samira has short hair.
Short hair. So please listen again and write it. Okay. So in the next class, when you come for the online lesson with me, I will ask this question. Do you like animals and birds? Tell the class which animal would you like to keep as a pet and why. So each one of you has to tell me which is your pet and why do you like it. So be ready. Okay. Then please go to the next page. Okay, we are going to read this pronunciation. Read these sentences aloud. You have to read aloud. Stress on the highlighted words. Stressing on the red color words. I like to share. I like to share my toys with my friends. Please read after me. I like to share my toys with my friends. Meaning I play with my friends. I also give my toys to my friends. Second, Rajni saw a chimpanzee in the zoo. Chimpanzee in the zoo. Rajni saw a chimpanzee in the zoo. Chimpanzee. It is an animal. It looks like a monkey, but it is not a monkey. Please, I'll ask next time. Also, on the day in which you have to speak about the animal, I will also ask you whether you can describe to one of you, not everyone, to one of you to describe a chimpanzee. So everybody has to be ready not to describe a chimpanzee. Okay. Then third sentence. Please shut the door. Please shut the door, meaning please close the door. Please close the door. Don't leave it open. Fourth, Varun and Lena are sitting on a bench. Varun and Lena are sitting on a bench. They are sitting on a bench. That is what we see in the image. Fifth, this knife is very sharp. These words we already saw, right? This knife is very sharp. Sharp meaning it can cut your hand. So, please listen again to all these words and also do the exercises. Okay. So, before the next class, please finish all the homework and send to me, please. I didn't check yet today's, but please everyone send it before starting the next class on Tuesday, next Tuesday. Okay. Have a beautiful weekend, dears. Bye-bye.